Dinaye ogo dalkayaga nikito nayo dalkayaga nikito nayo inuduksiya ramo inagu dinaye ogo.
Another day, another protest, this time in Columbus, Ohio.
We stand before the State House. The purpose of this gathering is to educate the American public about the atrocity that's taken place in Mogadishu, specifically in Somalia in general. Girls are being raped as we speak. People are dying. Women and children, most of them. As a result of a failed foreign policy. What we are asking is the attention of the people of conscience to understand that this matter needs people to speak out, people to call their elected officials, to advocate a change. We want to resolve this matter in a very peaceful way. That's all what we are doing here. But you don't solve a problem with another problem. You don't solve a problem with the cause of the problem itself.
That's right.
For the past 17 years, Ethiopia was funding every faction in Somalia to create more problems and to shed more blood. This is a fact that a lot of people are not aware of. And this is a fact that we want the rest of the world to know. A problem is not going to solve itself. This must be intervened by the international community. The European Union just passed a policy to do some kind of investigation on war crimes on people. Perpetrators from the Ethiopian side and what they're doing in Mogadishu as we speak. Indiscriminate shelling of neighborhoods. It's unacceptable in the international law. It will create more animosity. It will create more people to even hate this country for such policy. It fuels more anti-Americanism. If we want a solution, this situation must be intervened. And that's what these people are gathering here for, in such a cold day, to convey that message in the best way possible, within their capacity, in front of their state house. So the message can get around and elected officials can understand that. Ethiopia is not going to solve the Somali problem when they are seen as the problem itself. They are not going to solve this problem. More increase in numbers or a surge in the people that are occupying Mogadishu now is not an answer. It's not going to solve a problem. Thank you.
This is Mahdy Maaweel reporting live at Columbus, Ohio.